Next, we are going to talk about shares. Some people choose to invest their money by buying shares in a company. So that's why we call share. And there is a dividend. Dividend is how much share has increased from last year. That's why we call dividend. So in this example, there is a table of some companies. There is the number of shares, value of shares, and dividend of share per share. So company BC, this is from your book example 2. Company BC have number of shares 5,000, value of share is $0.86 and dividend is $0.05. So in order to find the total value of company BC, you just have to multiply number of share 5,000 with value of share 5,000 times 0.16 equal to that number. And then there is a price to earning. Okay, price to earning. If the question asks what is the price to earning for company BC, price to earning is value of share divided by dividend. So for BCD, the price to earning is 0.86 divided by $0.05 equal to that number. So if the question asks the total value of all company, you just need to find total value of each company and you add all to it. Compounding interest. Compounding interest, we have learned about this in last year in 10th grade. So the formula is A equal to P times 1 plus R to the power of T, which A is compound interest, P is investment money, R is a percentage of compound interest, it's usually per year or annually, and T stands for time, is how many times the money will compound. So let's jump to the example. Calculate the interest paid on $2,000 invested at 6% per annum, compound the interest for 2 years, with the interest compounded every 3 months. Okay, the first thing that we need to pay attention of, this is the R, the percentage, is 6% per annum. And then the question asks every 3 months. 6% per annum, which means per 12 months. We're going to find per 3 months. 12 to 3 months divided by 4. And then this also divided by 4. So 6 per 4% per 3 months, which means 1.5% per 3 months. The next thing that we're going to find is how many times the interest will compound. In this problem, we know that it will 2 years compounding, 2 years in every 3 months. We have known that 2 years equals to 24 months. So 24 months divided by every 3 months equal to 8. So the T, or how many times it will compound it, it's 8 times. So after we find the R and the T, we could find the solution. We have known that the compound interest, the formula is A equals to P multiplied by 1 plus R to the power of 8. We substitute the value of R and T in this equation. So A equal to the P. The P is equal to $2,000. 2,000 multiplied by 1 plus R. R is 1.5% or equal to 0.015 to the power of 8. The T. So A equal to 2,000 multiplied by 1.015 to the power of 8. With your calculator, you are going to find A equal to $2,253. $2,253. This is the total money that we will return. This is amount of money plus interest. So in order to find the interest, we subtract this number with this. Okay, so $2,253 subtracted by $2,000, you will find the compound interest. So the compound interest equal to $253. This is equal to the interest.
After you see this video, please do the worksheet that I have shared in your class group at Edmodo. Thank you.